What is up, guys? It's Squasher. Sorry I have not made a video in a while. I have been busy with things, but today, last, we are going to play some Murder Mystery 2, Classic Murder Mystery 2. We have not played in a long time. It's been a while. As you can see, I haven't played in so long that I have to upgrade Roblox. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and tell all your friends about it. We have been growing. Even though I haven't been uploading as much, which I am very thankful for. Thank you guys so much for still sharing the channel. The giveaway, I'm sorry, I have the video. I just need to edit it and put it because I have the winner. I already gave away the sugar. I'll show you guys in my video. I mean, like right now, once I go to my inventory, it's not going to be there because I gave it away. I believe that the winner was Gio Horo. Yeah, I randomly chose the winner. Well, not like I went through the comments and just found somebody. I was like, got this. But yeah, that was that. Let's wait for Roblox to upgrade so we can jump on in to the today's video. Yeah. Alrighty. Guess we have to open it again now that it's upgraded or uploaded. Upgrade. Alrighty. And we are in. So basically, we are going to be playing some Murder Mystery 2. Yeah. Whew. It has indeed been a while. Last time I played... Oh, actually, something I didn't notice is that I accidentally, for some reason, like, none of my audio recorded. So, like, my last two videos is just me just, like, playing and not actually talking. I apologize for that. I did not know, like, that was happening. Yeah, otherwise, let's see what Whistler wearing. I'm just gonna play. Not many of my friends are on. Dude, yo, External Worship is back. That's like my homeboy. Yo. This guy had gone through surgery. Yeah, he had surgery recently because I think something collapsed. Yeah. Yeah, he did. But dang, I forgot I had all these chromas. It'd be nice, give you icicles. Oh, the tank though, I know, right? Let's take this. Accept. If you don't accept this, I actually do not know what is going through your head right now. Bruh. How? I'm literally giving you an uncommon and you... Nice. Want a better working gun? Nice. Yeah. Chroma Seer, dang. Yeah. Chroma Seer. Chroma Seer. Chroma Seer. How'd you get so rich? Trading. A lot. Alrighty, so I wonder what happens if like I have the tank and I go up to the elf. Let's see what happens. Boop. Oh, so like it takes away the tank, which sucks. Alrighty. Gonna collect these coins. Also, now all of a sudden, if you go to my inventory or my shop, I have 23,000 coins. I have so many coins. I wish I can convert like coins into gems because like I would really want some gems. Like there's no converter, which really sucks because I want to get some of these emotes. Like if we go to powers, I can technically get these, but I don't know if I want to. Emotes, yeah, like these are kind of lame. The dab, who's gonna pay that much for a dab? Pets. Still got the normal egg. I heard there was a new update. I saw JD like make his like little video about it. He was with like the creator and like doing stuff and stuff. But other than that, I think everything is pretty normal right now. Aside from like stuff that's going on within Roblox, as you can see, I all of a sudden have a tank. I kind of wanna see if I can like do it to where like it's just like a tank. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, I know what I mean, my boy, External Worship. I would middleman for him. He's like super good at Arsenal, yo. Also, I'm almost to 3K. Please, guys, help me get to 3K. Actually, I want to do. If you guys let me know, I'll probably give away like a Chroma Seer for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I mean, special or a Chroma Death Shard. Let me know because, like I said, I have all these freaking Chromas that I can just trade. But I want to give one of these to you guys since like you guys supported me so much. But yeah, if you guys want a chance to like win a Chroma Seer for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway special, just let me know and I'll probably make a giveaway video just for that. Because don't worry, Fair's giveaway is still going on. It's going to be a month long, but the winners should be announcing soon. I know he's been blowing up recently, like a lot of his videos because of like the new like mods and everything. But yeah, make sure to check that out. Other than that, let's do some gameplay. I already know I'm going to title this vid. Should I give away a Chroma? I think I'm going to do that. Okay, we are back. But yeah, oh, and I died. Nice. Bruh. Okay. It's been a pretty video. Because I'm almost at 3K, so I think I'm just going to do 3K and then probably give another Chroma away at 4K. But yeah, so before making an official giveaway, I'm going to hey, should I give away a Chroma? That's going to be the title of this video. Pretty good title. Pretty solid in my opinion. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's see what we got. So yeah, we got all these. Oh, so you have a Chroma Bone Blade. I forgot we had this too. So how many Chromas do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Chromas. That's insane. Nice. Okay, I forgot I had all these Chromas. Big Boy Rich and Murder Mystery 2 and Assassin. I have Elegant Blade. Honestly, in my opinion, I don't care about the other items. Elegant Blade is like my favorite item because like just the way it looks and also because it's like super hyped and limited. Even though it's only like 500, which I think is still a lot. I like it a lot. It's like a really good item. I don't know why I'm talking about Assassin and Murder Mystery 2, but yeah. Check out this tank. Ooh, I want to play so bad with the tank in like Arsenal and see how it would look. I bet that would look like super funny. Oh, she's got the checker skateboard, the Adidas shoes. They should make Yeezys on Roblox. That'd be funny. Someone should design a Yeezy. Let's actually see what happens if we search up Yeezy on Roblox. Let's see, hold on. Yeezy let's do catalog. So there does appear to be some items. If someone would design shoes that were like Yeezys, that'd be funny. I feel like people would get copyrighted, or like the person would get copyrighted. But oh, does this guy have a Chroma Gingerblade? Nice. That's a pretty cool fish tank. Fish tank for a head. It's got like the little see things in it. Let's see. Yeezys, 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 Yeezys. Okay. So it's like some pants, but they look really bad. Interesting. Well. Oh, let's see if the value list has changed. I haven't even checked up on it. Hold on. Game starts. I'm gonna go hide because I'm afraid. Yoink. Alright. Let's see. 119. I think that was recent. Let's check out the godlies. 12K. No, I think everything's still the same. Yeah, everything still appears to be the same. Alrighty, there's some weird stuff playing, but yeah, it doesn't. No, I feel like this guy's the murderer, but like I'm gonna run away from him because I don't want to get. Ooh, ooh, okay, okay, okay. I see. There's dead people. I just heard somebody die. I think pink hair might be the murderer. Oh, it could be this guy too. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared. So it could be pink hair or it could be the elf. Oh, snap. Okay, so... Oh, get away from me. Get away from me, murderer. Oh, oh, ow, 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 ow. I'm not trying to die. I'm not trying to die. I'm not trying to die. Is she after me? Is she coming? Okay, she's not coming after me. Good. You know, I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna go this way. All I know is I was right. It was, in fact, the pink hair. That was the murderer. And I'm not trying to get murdered. I think it's gonna be the last round, but I am not trying to get murdered. No cap. Like, for real though. I don't want to die. I'm not trying to die. Holy crap. Holy frick. Holy frick. Holy frick. Oh snap. Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah, 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 ah. I'm dodging. I'm running, 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 bro. I'm running, bro. I'm running, bro. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, bro. Bruh, save me. Save, no, no, no. I do not want the murderer to catch me. No, I'm not trying to die, bro. I'm running, oh snap. The tank, I feel like it's the tank. It's getting in my way. I just gotta survive for a little bit longer, like 10 more seconds. I do not want to die. I'm not trying to die. I'm not trying to die. Can I survive? I'm literally going in circles at this point. Okay, I survived. I'm good. GGG. GG. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for enjoying the video. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna work on that Chroma giveaway. But let's see what you guys think.